Hello friends! We made a keyword analysis for the product giveaway that we will launch in our previous section. While doing our detailed keyword analysis, we examined the keywords of our 5 competitors' products with Helium Program. We came across 48 keywords, and then we took the keywords that they were in the top 10 and selected the ones that suit us. These were the keywords that we will achieve progress. We chose a keyword that would get the best results from these keywords, that reflects our product completely, and has the highest search volume and low number of competitors. Our keyword was inflatable footrest for air travel. So why did we choose this keyword? Because if we examine this keyword in detail now, we see that all 4 of our competitors are indexed, and their average ranking is 6. So why didn't we choose the first 3 keywords? Because these keywords partially reflected our product. So they didn't exactly reflect our product. Let's look at the top keyword, for example. See, the average ranking of our competitors in this keyword seems 17. So they cannot sell much in this keyword. Let's look at the second keyword. Look, the average of the rankings appears here 12. 12 to 13 appear in the next keyword. In the keyword we choose, the average of the sales order of our product, that is, of our competitors, is 6. Because they are in the top 6 rankings, they can make good sales. We also looked at the number of competitors of this keyword before. Let's look again. Look, you see that the number of competitors is 274. So it looks very good in our rival number. When our product is active, we will already appear on the 6th or 7th page. This will be very good for us. We chose this keyword for giveaway and decided to make a giveaway with this keyword. So how do we do with this keyword for our product, and how many giveaway will we give each day? We will now decide this with you. As I explained before, we will have 8 plus 4 days giveaway. We will do 8 days normally, and 4 days a half number of giveaways. So we're going to do as many giveaways as we need to do for 8 days and in the next 4 days. In order not to lose our place, we will continue to make half a number of giveaway. So what was the reason for making a giveaway? To sell products as much as the daily sales amount of our competitors. Because if we can make as many sales as our competitors sell every day, we can come to the first rankings where they are located. If we sell as much as competitors, Amazon will bring us to the top of our competitors and our sales will increase. Let's continue now. Our target keyword is inflatable footrest for air travel. There is another important point in this keyword for us. In fact, our main target is that our product is among the first 6 products on the first page. Look, 2 of our competitors appear first, and the other 4 appear lower. We need to be in this group. Let me give you another piece of information. According to statistics, the first 6 products of the first page have 70% of sales. In other keywords, even if you are on the first page, you have to be in the top 6 rows, so you may be in the 70% sales segment. Because this issue is very important, I say it again. According to statistics, the first 6 products of the first page have 70% of sales. Our main goal in giveaway is to be in the first 6 places. Therefore, when calculating our giveaway, we need to make giveaway as much as the average daily sales of these 6 products. In other keywords, we need to catch the average number of products that our competitors sell daily. For example, in our target keyword, if the first 2 of our competitors are selling 3 products daily, and the other 4 of our competitors are selling 2 products, we also need to provide at least 2 daily giveaways. Of course, I said these 2 and 3 numbers randomly, but I will tell you how to calculate this in detail. I will describe 2 methods on how to find this number. First of all, I prepared an Excel table for you to make this calculation. You can automatically calculate the giveaway of your own product by using this table. When you write your keywords in this table, I will automatically give you how many giveaways you need to give daily, and even calculate your cost. Normally we have 2 methods to calculate giveaway, and we will use both. In the Excel table I have already made, I will be telling both. We will compare the figures we have obtained by using these 2 methods, and if the results are close, we will use or average the 2. Therefore, try to learn both methods. First, I will explain the logic of these methods, and then we will fill in our Excel table together, and we will calculate our daily giveaway count. Now, what is our first method and what is its logic? Our first method consists of 2 graphics that I show on the screen right now. By filling in the data of these 2 charts, we will calculate the daily giveaway amount. What is the logic of the method we will do first? In this method, we will first find the daily sales figures of our 6 competitors in the keyword of the product we will sell. and we will write these numbers in the daily sale of our most sale competitor table that I have shown to you right now. In this table, we will write the number of daily sales of our competitors with the highest sales one by one. Because we want to get into these 6 top selling competitors and go above their rankings. We even want to put one of these in the back rows. Therefore, we need to make giveaway at least as much as the average daily sales of these competitors. First of all, we need to find the average daily sales of our competitors. Let's find them now. How could we find the daily sales of our competitors? We use analysis programs such as Imparizon, Helium, Jungle Scout, and Viral Lunch. If you use more than one of these programs, you can get the average of daily sales. I will use the Jungle Scout program as it directly shows daily sales. If you have other programs, you can calculate the daily sales amount by dividing it into 30 days, since it indicates the monthly sales average in those programs. To find out about our 6 best-selling competitors, I click the ranking by the bestseller. Look at the 6 best-selling products. The first 6 rankings are 51, 34, 27, 27, 26, and 19. Now we write the values of these competitors one by one in our table. First is 51. Second is 34. Third is 27. Fourth is 27. Fifth is 26. Sixth is 19. Yes, now look at the average value of our 6 competitors. In other keywords, we found that our competitors sold an average of 31 products per day. Look, as I enter the value, the percentage and sales figures of the sales started to form in the table. What does our Excel spreadsheet do to find it? It rates the 31 sales, the average daily sales amount we found before, in the search volume table on the left where you wrote your keywords, and the search volume of keywords finds the percentile in numbers. For example, when you enter these first 5 keywords in search volumes, this distributes 31 sales according to the search volume of the keywords. See the first keyword. 39% of sales are given in this keyword and 12 sales are shown. Other keywords are listed as 25%, 20%, 8%, and 7%. As we enter these values, new values will be calculated, and we will see the distribution with the last keyword. The only process you will do here is to write the keywords in search volumes. Now we continue to write in order. We write all of them, and it's done. When we entered all the search volumes, the total search volume appeared at the bottom. The total search volume is 48,400. Since our table proportioned the search volumes of keywords to the total search volume, we obtained our values. For example, when we compare this 48,400 to the 11,800, which is the search volume of our first keywords, our result is 24%. All of our data table was created in this way. In other keywords, we can see in our table what the keywords are these 31 sales, and how many are the average daily. 24% and 7.5 in the first keyword. In the second keyword, 16% and 4 points are 8, that is, 5. In this way, the distribution of our 31 sales became evident. Of course, you can round this data if you want, but it is better to stay this way. Now look, we have seen the distribution of 31 sales one by one according to keywords. So 7.5 of 31 sales are from the first keyword. The 4.8 go down in the second, the 3.8 go down from the third, and in turn. So what have we done? Now let's look at the keyword inflatable footrest for air travel, which is our target keyword. Our target keyword seems to have an average of 1.5 sales with 5%. However, there is a point here. We looked at the search volume of the keyword we will make with the giveaway only with the Helium program. We need to confirm this number by looking at other programs. Let's look right away. Now let's look at the Viral Lunch program. When we look at the Viral Lunch, the volume of call is 3,200. Helium showed this as 2,300. So there is an average search volume of 2,700. For this, let's change the value in our table to 2,700. Let's change the volume of our target keyword and show it in a different color. Look, our new values are 6% and 1 point is 7 sales. So what does this mean? 6 of our competitors, which we have determined with our target keyword, mean an average of 1.7 sales per day. How is this happening? It means that the best seller seems to sell maybe 3, the others 2, 1, 1, and 1. Their average is between 1.5 to 2. Okay, then our target has been determined. So our daily giveaway number must be 2. If we make 2 giveaways a day, we will reach the goal we want. If we even give 3 a day, Maybe we can be in the first place and become Amazon's choice. This method was our first method, and we found it. Now let's look at our other second method. We will do both of our methods and compare the result. So how is the second method? This method is as follows. We found the average of our search volume is 2,700. What does this search volume mean? It means that on average, 2,700 people search for products with this keyword every month. What percentage of those searchers shop? When you look at such a rate, Amazon tells us that there is between 10 and 15%. If 100 people search with this keyword, between 10 and 15 customers buy this product. I wrote this as 15% in the table and rated it like this. This rate varies according to the keyword, but when Amazon shares these rates with some companies, we have seen that the average rate is sales. Now let us write our search volume to our table. Look, we are writing here 2,700. As soon as you wrote these 2,700, the table values immediately created. When we examine our table, you see that 405 out of 2,700 people seem to be buying this product. In other keywords, we found the monthly sales rate is 405. But the point we should be aware of is that this is the monthly sales figure. Just below, we see the daily sales rate, that is, divided by 30. When we divide 405 into 30, it is 14 daily, and daily sales are 14. I have told you before, 70% of sales on Amazon are among the top 6 products on the first page. So 70% of these 14 sales are owned by these first 6 sellers. I even did this in the table 75%, because the product with Amazon Choice alone has almost 30% of sales. For this reason, I have stated it as 75%. 75% of 14 products are 10, as in the table. In other keywords, the first 6 sellers sell 10 products on average daily. If we divide this by 6, evolves to 1.7 sales. So, it corresponds exactly with our previous calculation. Our calculation is correct. We have found that we need to make 1.7 giveaways daily. Of course, since we cannot provide 1.7 giveaway, we have determined the number of our daily giveaway number is 2. We found our daily giveaway amount in the keyword inflatable footrest for air travel, which is our target keyword, as 2. If you make 2 giveaways a day, you can replace your competitors in the top 6. If you normally enter the search volume of your target keyword in this table, you can also see that our table immediately makes the calculation. Our table gives you the 8-day giveaway amount and the 4-day giveaway amount. The number of the total giveaway we will make is 20. If we give 222 daily giveaway for 8 days and 11 daily for the next 4 days, there will be 20 in total. Of course, this calculation was our full price giveaway amounts. Normally, when we look at the Helium program, we see that we need to distribute 8 days of giveaway 56. Because Helium does not calculate the full price giveaway, it calculates the giveaway amount with 99% discount code. For this reason, the number appears 56, but it will be enough for us to provide 20 full price discount giveaway. Now let's look at the Viral Lunch program. See, in this program, when we look at the statistics at the bottom, there is an amount between 6 and 10 per day. Assuming that there are 6 daily, it turns out that we need to make 48 giveaway from 6 times 8 days. So it gives almost the same number as Helium. In 8 days, we see between 50 and 60 numbers. Of course, we calculate the amount of giveaway that will be given with 99% discount code. Since we will make full price giveaway, 20 will be enough for us. We have determined our total giveaway number is 20. Let's repeat what we have done up to this stage. First of all, we identified 6 competitors and found their keywords in the top 10 rankings. For example, in this table, when we change the number to 7,500, we see that all the numbers have changed and the amount of daily giveaway has also changed. Our purpose in this table is to confirm our first method. Let's make our value in the table 2,700. There is another critical point that I have to say. If your search keyword and your target keyword does not reflect or promote your product, the sales rate will not be 15%. For example, the purchase percentage of people who want to search our product by typing inflatable footrest for air travel, and the percentage of purchase of those who write footrest for air travel will of course be different. The essential feature for our product is that the product is inflatable. For this reason, we wrote 15% because our keyword meets the product, but if we had chosen different keywords, this rate might have been lower. Since our 2 methods confirm our giveaway number, we can see that we have created the rate correctly. You can find your own giveaway amount by filling these numbers according to your product. Finally, let's add one more thing to our Excel spreadsheet. We add a table to calculate the giveaway cost we provide. So what is the giveaway cost? Now that you are going to make a full-priced giveaway, normally the sales price of that product and the FBA fee to be received by Amazon will be your cost factors. Now let's write the FBA fee amount on our table. So how do we find this? Now let's get into one of our competitors' product list. Look here, Calculate Fee Rights, click here. You can see the amount of FBA fee, the money Amazon receives from you here. It has a total cost of $7. We write this in the table. The cost of the product is $3. We write all $3 here. The amount calculated for 20 giveaways is $200. Costs are summed up and calculated directly, and there is a total cost of $200. Thus, the cost of our giveaway is $200. Here we can come to the first page with this $200 giveaway cost. When you enter the first 6 lists, your normal organic sales will start now. So you will start your normal sales. Look, here we have determined how you can get to the first page at a cost of $200. You can find this Excel table in the Resources section under the video. You can also work on your own product with this. Entering the values in the table will be sufficient for you to calculate. You will automatically calculate your giveaway amount. But there is another important point here. I have to mention it too. I told you 2 methods. The first was the method by which we wrote the search keywords to the left of our table, detailing the average sales of our competitors. The other one was the method in the middle table on the right, made by the search volume. Our method on the left is more reliable than our second method. So look here, I added another table. When we add the number of daily giveaway in the first method to this table, we find the average of the number we found in the second method and the number in the first method. Look, he showed us the average. But as I said before, the values on the left, which is the first method we make, are more important and precise for us. Therefore, if we take our first method as the basis and use our second method to confirm the first method, we will have a better and more reliable result. Because the search volume is high, much higher numbers can emerge. For example, when we write here 20,000, see that it gives 12 giveaway figures daily, but it can be different and slightly more than the first table. Therefore, if we make our first method in detail and based on the averages, the result will be much more reliable. After adding this last section to our table, the number and cost of giveaway is now calculated based on the average of the numbers we found in 2 methods. But as I said, our first method is more reliable. What will we do in the next section? In the next section, I will tell you how to make giveaway and create super URL. Because without super URL, the people you want to make giveaway in the beginning and even we will find our product difficult because it will be behind. Therefore, we will create a super URL in the next section. See you next lecture.